Right now, without you doing anything at all, something extraordinary is possible inside your body. Your cells contain a built-in recycling and rejuvenation system of almost unimaginable biological sophistication. This system can identify damaged cells, consume dysfunctional proteins, and clear out decades of accumulated biological waste. It can slow the aging process, sharpen your brain, and reduce inflammation throughout your entire body simultaneously. Scientists were so astonished by this mechanism that its discovery earned a Nobel Prize in Physiology in 2016. And the most remarkable part is that you were born with this system already fully installed and ready to run. But here is the uncomfortable truth that most people living a modern lifestyle need to hear right now. The way almost all of us eat every single day has quietly switched this extraordinary system completely off. 3 meals, several snacks, breakfast at 7, a late-night bite at 10, insulin spiking all day long. Every time food enters your body, a powerful hormonal signal goes out to every cell with the same message. That message is this: we have plenty of energy coming in from outside, so stop cleaning house immediately. And so, your internal recycling factory sits idle, hour after hour, day after day, year after year untouched. The damaged proteins accumulate. The dysfunctional cellular components pile up. The biological waste stays exactly where it landed. You do not need an expensive supplement, a cutting-edge therapy, or a prescription from any doctor to fix this. There is a completely free physiological switch already written into your DNA that can restart this entire process today. This video is going to show you the single most effective way to flip that switch deliberately and correctly. The word autophagy comes directly from ancient Greek, and the translation is almost poetically accurate. Auto means self, phagy means eating. Your cells are literally designed to eat themselves under the right conditions. But before that sounds alarming, let us clarify exactly what your cells are consuming during this process. They are not breaking down healthy tissue or cannibalizing the muscle you worked hard to build at the gym. They are targeting something very specific: the cellular garbage that has been quietly accumulating inside you for years. Misfolded proteins that no longer function correctly, and damaged organelles that are producing more harm than energy. Aging cellular components that are slowing your metabolism and contributing to inflammation throughout your entire system. Think of your cells as extraordinarily sophisticated cities that generate waste products 0/0 trui van juoch su dung around the clock without stopping. Inside each of those cellular cities are specialized disposal units called lysosomes. Tiny but remarkably powerful biological incinerators. Their entire purpose is to break down biological waste into raw materials that your cells can actually reuse productively. When autophagy is running at full capacity, these lysosomes are busy, efficient, and clearing debris continuously around the clock. But here is the molecular mechanism that determines whether this entire system runs or sits completely idle inside you. Every time you eat something, your pancreas releases insulin into your bloodstream to manage the incoming energy. Alongside insulin, a powerful cellular growth sensor called mTOR activates and begins broadcasting a very specific message. That message tells every cell in your body to shift into building mode, storing mode, and growth mode immediately. And while mTOR is broadcasting that signal, autophagy is chemically and completely impossible to activate simultaneously. These two biological states are mutually exclusive in the most absolute sense that cellular biology allows. You cannot be in growth mode and cleaning mode at the same time, just as a city cannot build and demolish simultaneously. So as long as insulin remains elevated in your bloodstream, your cellular cleaning crews are sitting on the bench waiting. Now, here is where the biology becomes genuinely exciting for anyone who wants to take control of this process. When you stop eating, insulin begins its slow and steady descent back toward its natural baseline level. As insulin drops, a completely different energy sensor activates inside your cells, one with a very different agenda entirely. This sensor is called AMPK, the adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase, and think of it as your body's fuel gauge. When AMPK detects that external energy has stopped arriving, it sends an urgent signal throughout your entire cellular network. That signal says, external fuel supply has been interrupted. Begin recycling internal resources and activate the cleaning protocol immediately. mTOR steps back. Insulin continues falling. And the lysosomal cleaning crews finally receive their activation order and get to work. Here is something that genuinely surprises most people when they hear it for the very first time. You are already practicing a form of fasting every single night while you sleep without any conscious effort at all. While you lie unconscious, insulin is gradually dropping, AMPK is beginning to stir, and autophagy is slowly warming up. Your body is trying to clean house every single night during those sleeping hours without you even asking it to. But the moment you wake up and eat a bowl of sugary cereal or grab a sweet pastry with your coffee, everything stops. Insulin spikes immediately. mTOR reactivates instantly. And the cleaning crews that were just getting started pack up and leave again. Your body was right on the edge of reaching the deeper layers of accumulated cellular damage when you interrupted it. This is happening every single morning for most people living on a standard modern eating schedule without realizing it. The cleaning never gets deep enough. The damage never gets fully addressed. And the biological aging continues accumulating underneath. So the question that naturally follows is this: how long do you actually need to fast before autophagy reaches meaningful depth? The honest answer is that the first 12 hours are essentially just burning through your stored glycogen and clearing insulin. Autophagy begins stirring around hour 12, but it is still operating at a very shallow and preliminary level then. The research consistently points to one specific window where the cellular cleaning process accelerates dramatically and powerfully. That window is somewhere between hour 14 and hour 16 of continuous fasting without any caloric input whatsoever. This is where the biology of intermittent fasting stops being a weight loss trend and becomes genuine cellular medicine. The most effective and sustainable method for reaching this window consistently is called the 16-8 protocol. You fast for 16 continuous hours and compress all of your eating into an 8-hour window each day. And here's the specific timing that aligns this protocol with your body's natural circadian rhythm most effectively. Stop eating at 7 in the evening, ideally finishing dinner with your family at a relaxed and comfortable pace. Then, allow your body to run its cleaning cycle throughout the night and into the following morning undisturbed. Break your fast at 11 the next morning with your first intentional and carefully chosen meal of the day. That 14 to 16-hour window between 7 p.m. and 11 a.m. is where the most powerful autophagy activity occurs. Now, let us talk about what is actually happening inside your body during those peak fasting hours in specific detail. The first benefit that most people notice within the first week is a gradual and surprising improvement in mental clarity. This happens because autophagy actively clears a toxic protein called amyloid beta from between your brain cells. Amyloid beta is the same protein that accumulates into the plaques associated with memory decline and Alzheimer's disease. Your brain literally becomes less cluttered, and the neurological communication between cells improves in a measurable way. The second benefit operates at the level of your skin and connective tissue in ways that no topical cream can replicate. Autophagy identifies and eliminates what scientists call senescent cells, aging cells that have stopped dividing but refuse to die. These zombie cells release inflammatory signals that accelerate visible aging, contribute to joint pain, and damage surrounding healthy tissue. When autophagy removes them consistently, the regenerative cells that replace them are newer, more functional, and more resilient. The third benefit directly addresses one of the most widespread and underdiagnosed conditions in modern populations today: Every fasting cycle gives your pancreas an extended rest from the relentless demand of managing chronically elevated blood sugar. Insulin sensitivity begins recovering as your cells stop being bombarded by constant hormonal signals demanding glucose uptake. For people in pre-diabetic territory, consistent 16 to 8 fasting can measurably move blood sugar markers back toward healthier ranges. The fourth benefit happens inside the microscopic power plants, distributed throughout every cell in your entire body. Your mitochondria, the organelles, responsible for converting nutrients into usable cellular energy, age and degrade over time like any machinery. Autophagy specifically targets damaged mitochondria through a sub-process called mitophagy, clearing out the inefficient ones completely. New mitochondria form to replace them, and the result is a genuine and noticeable increase in sustained daily energy levels. The fifth benefit operates inside your immune system at a level of sophistication that genuinely challenges scientific imagination. A specific branch of autophagy called xenophagy targets intracellular pathogens, bacteria and viruses that have managed to hide inside your cells. Your immune system cannot always reach these hidden invaders through conventional means, but autophagy can find them from the inside. The sixth benefit protects something so small and so critical that most people have never thought about it at all. At the tip of every chromosome in every cell of your body sits a protective cap called a telomere. Every time a cell divides, these caps shorten slightly, and their length is one of biology's most reliable markers of cellular age. Consistent autophagy activation has been shown to reduce the oxidative stress that causes telomeres to shorten prematurely. The seventh benefit will matter enormously to anyone who exercises regularly and cares about their body composition and performance. Autophagy preferentially uses damaged proteins and stored body fat as its recycling fuel rather than your functional muscle tissue. This means you can reduce body fat and eliminate cellular waste simultaneously without sacrificing the lean mass you have built. The eighth benefit is perhaps the most profound, because it operates at the level of your biological age itself. When your cells are consistently cleared of waste, their internal communication improves, their energy production optimizes, and their function sharpens. Your biological age, the actual functional age of your cells, regardless of your birth certificate, begins moving in a better direction. Now, during your fasting window, 3 specific beverages are your most powerful allies, and all of them are completely free. Plain water with a small pinch of sea salt helps maintain your electrolyte balance during extended fasting without raising insulin at all. Black coffee consumed without any sugar, cream, or sweetener of any kind has been shown to actively amplify autophagy signaling, and green tea containing a compound called EGCG is perhaps the single most effective autophagy-enhancing beverage available to you. EGCG directly activates AMPK, the same energy-sensing pathway that fasting triggers, essentially giving your cleaning cycle an additional boost. When you finally reach your 11 a.m. eating window, well, the way you break your fast matters more than most people realize. Opening with a rapid sugar hit, fruit juice, cereal, or refined carbohydrates creates an immediate and sharp insulin spike. That spike halts autophagy instantly and aggressively, cutting your cleaning cycle short before it reaches its full productive depth. Instead, open your eating window with high-quality protein and healthy fat to keep insulin rising slowly and steadily. Pasture-raised eggs, half an avocado, or a small portion of grass-fed beef are ideal choices for this critical first meal. Everything we have covered in this video points toward one remarkably simple and empowering biological truth. Your body is not passively aging and deteriorating, because that is simply what bodies do over time. It is aging faster than it should, because the conditions for its most powerful self-repair system are rarely being met. You were not given a body designed to eat from the moment you wake until the moment you fall asleep. You were given a body designed to cycle between nourishment and restoration, between building and deep cellular cleaning. The 16-8 protocol is not a diet trend invented by a wellness influencer looking for content to post online. It is the deliberate recreation of a biological rhythm that your DNA has been expecting since the very beginning. Stop eating at 7 in the evening, break your fast at 11 the following morning. Protect that window completely. Drink your water with a small pinch of sea salt to maintain electrolytes throughout the fasting hours without interruption. Allow yourself black coffee or green tea during the morning hours to amplify the autophagy signal already running. Then, open your eating window with protein and healthy fat rather than sugar and refined carbohydrates that spike insulin immediately. These are not complicated instructions. They require no expensive equipment, no subscription, and no medical procedure whatsoever. They simply require your willingness to stop interrupting a process your body already knows how to run beautifully on its own. Now here's the question we genuinely want to hear your answer to in the comments section below today. What is the longest you have ever gone without eating? And did you notice anything different about how you felt? Maybe you experienced unusual mental clarity around hour 14 or 15 without understanding why that was happening to you. Maybe you felt a strange and unexpected calm settle over your body somewhere in the middle of a long fast. What you were experiencing in those moments was not hunger-induced delirium or low blood sugar playing tricks on your mind. That was your cellular cleaning crews finally reaching the deeper layers of accumulated damage and getting to work inside you. Your best doctor does not have a medical degree hanging on any wall in any building you have ever visited. Your best doctor lives inside every single cell of your body and has been waiting patiently for the right conditions. Give it 16 hours of uninterrupted quiet, and watch what it does with that gift every single time. If this breakdown of the science behind autophagy gave you something genuinely useful to take into your life today, subscribe now. We will keep decoding exactly how your biology works at the root level, so you can make decisions that actually change how you age. Drop your questions, your fasting records, and your experiences in the comments below, and let us figure this out together. See you in the next one.